Embark on a culinary and visual journey with Dorado Swiss Chard, a golden-hued gem that elevates both the aesthetics and flavor of your garden. Known for its vibrant foliage and versatility in the kitchen, Dorado Swiss Chard is a delightful addition to any edible landscape. Swiss chard, a close relative of beets, has its roots in the Mediterranean region. Dorado, specifically bred for its golden stems, brings a sunny disposition to gardens worldwide. Its ancestors were likely leafy greens grown for both culinary and medicinal purposes in ancient times. What sets Dorado Swiss Chard apart is its vibrant golden yellow stems and veins that contrast beautifully with the deep green leaves. This bicolored spectacle creates a visual feast in the garden, and as a bonus, the entire plant is edible. The leaves have a mild, earthy flavor, making them a versatile ingredient in various dishes. Dorado Swiss Chard is a cool season crop that thrives in well-drained soil enriched with organic matter, planted in a location that receives full sun to partial shade. Regular watering, especially during dry spells, promotes healthy growth, and the plant can be harvested continuously by snipping outer leaves as needed. In the edible garden, Dorado Swiss Chard harmonizes well with a variety of companion plants. Consider planting it alongside herbs like basil or dill, which not only complement its flavor but also attracts beneficial insects. Additionally, its upright growth makes it a great neighbor for lower-growing vegetables. Beyond its visual appeal, Dorado Swiss Chard is a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. Add the tender leaves to salads, saute them as a side dish, or include them as soups and stews. The golden stems can be used as a vibrant garnish, enhancing the presentation of your culinary creations. Like other varieties of Swiss chard, Dorado is a nutritionist powerhouse packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like magnesium and potassium. It contributes to overall well-being. Its antioxidant content supports a healthy immune system and provides anti-inflammatory benefits. In conclusion, Dorado Swiss Chard offers a golden touch to your garden and dining table. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of plants.